Hello word wizards. Today we're learning about plural nouns. Singular means one thing, plural means more than one. When we have more than one of something, we need to change the word. Let's discover the magic tricks to make nouns plural. The easiest way to make most nouns plural is to just add the letter S at the end. Let's see. One cat becomes two cats. One dog becomes three dogs. One book becomes many books. One toy becomes lots of toys. One car becomes 5 cars. And one tree becomes 10 trees. See how easy that is? Just add S and you have more than one. Let's practice together. One ball becomes 2 balls. One friend becomes many friends. One cookie becomes 5 cookies. And one star becomes 1,000,000 stars. But wait, some words need something extra. If a word ends in SXZCH or SH, we add ES instead. Why? Try saying 1 box, 2 boxes. It's hard to say, so we add ES to make it easier. Let's look at words ending in S. One bus becomes 2 buses. One glass becomes 3 glasses. 4 words ending in X. 1 box becomes 4 boxes, and 1 fox becomes 2 foxes. For Z. 1 buzz becomes many buzzes, and 1 quiz becomes 2 quizzes. For CH, 1 church becomes 2 churches. 1 bench becomes 3 benches, and 1 lunch becomes 2 lunches. And finally, for SH, 1 brush becomes 5 brushes, 1 dish becomes many dishes, and 1 wish becomes 3 wishes. Just remember, if it's hard to say with just S, add ES. Birds ending in Y are special. They have 2 different rules. Rule 1. If there's a vowel, like a E-I-O, or U before the Y, just add S. For example, 1 boy becomes 2 boys, because there's an O before the Y. 1 toy becomes 3 toys. 1 key becomes 4 keys. And 1 day becomes 7 days. Now, for rule 2, if there's a consonant, which is any letter that's not a vowel, before the Y, we change the Y to I and add ES. Let's see. 1 baby becomes 2 babies. 1 puppy becomes 3 puppies. 1 lady becomes 4 ladies. 1 story becomes many stories. 1 city becomes 5 cities. And 1 butterfly becomes 10 butterflies. So, a quick check. Look at the letter before the Y. Is it a vowel? Add S. Is it a consonant change? Y to IES. Let's test what you've learned. How do you make these words plural? 1 hat becomes many hats. Just add S. 1 watch becomes 2. Watches, it ends in CH, so add ES. 1 pony becomes 3 ponies. It has a consonant plus Y, so change to IES. 1 monkey becomes 5 monkeys. It has a vowel plus Y, so just add S. And 1 fox becomes 2 foxes, it ends in X, so add ES. Now, let's spot the plural. Look at this picture. Can you find the plural nouns? Let's see. There are 3 birds, 2 benches, many flowers, 5 children. We'll learn about that special one later. 2 babies, and 4 bushes. Great job spotting them all. Let's remember the 3 main rules. For most words, add S, like cats, dogs, and books. For words ending in S, X, ZCH, or SH, add ES, like boxes, dishes, and churches. And for words ending in Y, if it's a vowel plus Y, add S, like boys and toys. If it's a consonant plus Y, change it to IES, like babies and cities. Awesome work. Plural pros. Now, you can talk about one thing or many things. Practice making plurals everywhere you go. How many cars, trees, and houses do you see? Keep learning and growing. See you next time.